Nanya, man, I woke up in 1 year. Mama Dian, Mauna Ochi, Adinanya, and Doma, no, you have, and I would there.
Every Igbo community has their sets of laws, their sets of norm, what makes them who they are. So because of colonization, because of westernization, because of Christianity, we've actually lost some of these things. There are things we look at as nswane, murder, abortion, all those things are considered arrow and abomination. Things are not supposed to be heard of, or things are not supposed to happen in a community. Now it's not just rape, murder, but incest is now being popularized. Homosexuality is now being popularized, and all those things are graves or grievous sins against ajani. So in Igbo cosmology, things like this are what keeps us together, are what ensures that the laws, the norms that guide us as a people are being maintained without fear or favor.